Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines and Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. We shall now proceed with the oath-taking to be administered by the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Mangyaring itaas ang inyong kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin. Ako si sabihin ang inyong pangalan. Nang sabihin ang inyong tirahan. Na itinalaga sa katungkulang bilang. Sabihin ang inyong katungkulan. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Natutuparin kong buong husay at katapatan. Sa abot ng aking kakayahan. Ang mga tungkulin ng aking kasulukuyang katungkulan at ng iba pang pagkaraan nito'y gagampanan ko sa ilalim ng Republika ng Pilipinas na aking itataguyod at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Republika ng Pilipinas na ako'y tunay na mananalig at tatalima nito, na susundin ko ang mga batas, mga utos na ayon sa batas, at mga dekreto na pinaiiral ng mga sadyang itinakdang may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas at kusa kong babalikatin ang mga pananagutang ito na walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations. Thank you to the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Everyone may now be seated. At this point, may we call on National Defense Secretary Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr. to introduce our guest of honor and keynote speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, new graduates, the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to our Defense Secretary, Secretary Gilbert Teodoro Jr. Please take your seats. The AFP Chief of Staff, General Romeo Browner Jr., the other major service commanders here present, officers, enlisted personnel, and civilian employees of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and of course, the 2024 graduating class of the Major Services Officers Candidate Course. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Your graduation day today signifies the culmination of your determination, sacrifice, and hard work to overcome the challenges of becoming an officer of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. This marks the beginning of your role to ensure the defense of our nation and the safety of all Filipinos. As I stand before you here today, I am very proud to know that the future of our nation's defense and peace lies in capable and honorable hands. Ngunit bago natin bigyang pugay ang mga nagsitapos, kilalanin muna natin ang mga tahimik ngunit matatag na taga-suporta na laging nasa likod ng kanilang tagumpay. Sa pamilya at mahal sa buhay ng ating mga nagsipagtapos, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at pagsusuporta sa inyong mga anak. We also remember the trainers, the mentors who guided all of these graduates on their journey towards becoming officers of the major services of the AFP. The lessons and guidance that you have provided will be the light in the challenges that lie ahead before these new officers. To our awardees, congratulations on your achievements and thank you for being an inspiration to your fellow officer candidates. May these awards encourage you to excel in your duties and become even more dedicated to serving our beloved Philippines. Your achievements and success are your contributions to nation building. Let this be your guiding principle as you step forward. In the face of evolving threats and modern warfare, innovation, technical expertise, and leadership rooted in service will be your most powerful weapons. To all the members of the AFP, be assured that this administration remains committed to transforming our AFP into a world-class force that is a source of national pride and national security. This transformation begins with investing in our people, in their talents, the specialists, the leaders who will bridge the gap between tradition and innovation. We will modernize your equipment, enhance your training programs, ensure that you are equipped to face challenges not just of today, but also of the future. Because together, we build an AFP that will stand as a beacon of strength, of alliance, resilience, and technological excellence. Lagi natin alalahanin na ang bawat hamon ay bahagi ng mas dakilang layunin. Sa bawat hakbang, ang inyong serbisyo ay hindi lamang tungkulin. Ito ay panata para sa bayan. Isang handog para sa bawat Pilipino na umaasa sa inyong husay, tapang, dangal, at malasakit. To the Philippine Army Class, Katarikayan, Philippine Navy Class, mangisalakan. Ang pahirap ng pahirap makahanap ng class dahil naunahan na kayong lahat. But you are showing very good imagination with all of this. Air Force Class, Sigmandigan. Maligayang pagtatapos sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap sa hamong makapagsilbi sa ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Saan kayong maitalaga, naway maglingkod kayo ng may kahusayan, katapatan at karangalan. Together, through solidarity and purpose, we will create a stronger, safer, and more prosperous bagong Pilipinas. Muli, binabati ko kayong lahat at naway magkaroon tayo ng masaya at mapayapang Pasko at bagong taon. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong serbisyo. Congratulations. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we also present a memento for the President for the AFP's grateful appreciation of his presence in today's momentous event. The memento will be presented by the Honorable Secretary Teodoro Jr., and he will be assisted by General Browner, the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We shall now proceed with a group photo, and may we request the President to kindly grant us a group photo with all of our graduates. Well, graduates, kindly gather at the center, please. press. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, another shot, please. Smile. Okay, once again, thank you very much, Mr. President, for granting us that photo opportunity. Well, that concludes our program. Thank you, Mr. President, for gracing the Major Services Officer Candidate Course Joint Graduation Ceremony. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.,